Right, so here we are, week 3 of the Camp Epic build. There has been a little bit of a gap in between the last video and the one you're watching now. In that time I ordered the sheds and got them delivered, just as you can see behind me here. There's both sheds, there's the other one there. Both sheds ready to go, ready to stand up this week. Also in that time you would have probably noticed I broke my shoulder playing rugby, which I now realize that I might be a little bit too old to be doing. I'm meant to have it in the sling, so I don't know how much use I'm actually going to be this week. But in saying that, I've got a whole lot of help this week, so we'll hopefully be okay. The goal for the week would be to have some stuff kind of standing up. I do have quite a cool little meeting on Thursday. I'm going up to Auckland to go visit a friend of mine, and I'm also going to go maybe have a chat with DeWalt and Stanley Power Tools. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Matt's going to be up here cranking away, and hopefully by the end of this week there's 2 steel structures standing behind me. Also, you might notice that these videos are a couple weeks behind. It's a bit tough to kind of build and edit, so if you want to keep right up to date, if you just can't get enough, link to my Instagram down below. I'll be putting up all sorts of stories on there, maybe a few photos. That'll be kind of daily stuff, alright? But mate, I'm calling it today. I'll see you in the morning when shit gets real. Okay, so back home after day 1. It was pretty crazy. The shoulder was alright. I had it out the sling for most of the day, so it was, I mean, I probably shouldn't have, but it was fine. I was on kind of light duties. The boys and everybody were really good about it. We had a few little hiccups. I think it was mainly because of all the stuff that I'd kind of moved around and changed, but it's okay. I'm probably frustrating Matt a bit more than I should do. She'll get over it. I'm going to find out tonight if we can go up tomorrow. I just need an extra person because of the wing. If Matt's brother can come up and help us, that'll be great. But yeah, on to tomorrow. Sorry I didn't shoot too much today. Tomorrow's the exciting day, I guess. Today was just kind of slapping everything together, you know. We just bolted as much of it as we can. And then tomorrow is actually, hopefully tomorrow is exactly going to be just standing everything up. You'll start to see shapes, you'll be able to walk through it and maybe get some roof iron on, who knows. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's day 3. Day before yesterday we had most of the stuff kind of stood up. Went up to Auckland yesterday and picked up Stu Lacey. He's on site giving us a hand. You got to go a bit more that way. Here he is. Stu's a good old mate of mine. He lives in Canada, doing some architectural drafting over there. So he's quite excited to see how we do things over here. He's also probably going to go for a bike ride. I won't make him work all day on his holiday. Yeah, also yesterday I had a pretty interesting meeting with Stanley Power Tools, Stanley Hand Tools. Bit of something happening there, so I'll keep you informed with that. The brackets for this middle column turned up yesterday, so we can we can get almost everything done here today that we need to. Not bad, eh? Okay. Okay. How was your bike ride?
It's good, man. It was good.
Yeah, you came back just as we finished doing all the work.
Yeah, that was the plan all along. Camped out there for a little while.
Yeah.
Saw you boys put everything away.
Here's all the braces studded. Not bad, eh?
That's dirty. Wow, what a pull. Yeah, strip on it.
Yeah, so not too much we can do today with this wind. We would have put the roof on, but just with the amount of people that we had, it would have just blown away, and that'll ruin everything. So we did all the little jobs that we can do, and then kind of called it a day. It's about, what, 2 o'clock-ish. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Go. First smoker under the roof. Easy. Okay, so today's Thursday of the second week of putting up these sheds. Realistically, this last week we've only actually put up probably 5 or 6 days, no, not even 4 or 5 days of building, and we're at a point where I'm standing here nice and dry in one of my sheds. It's been pretty crazy, just with my arm and the weather, and it's also raw, so Matt wants to go hunting. So it's been pretty up and down this week. As you can see now, the weather is not playing ball today, so we're not really up here doing anything today. Tomorrow I'm going to come up and pop a few doors in this one. You can kind of start to see what's happening behind me. That area there will be the 2 male and female areas. So you got male and female, or male and female. I'm not quite sure which one yet. And then this area over here will be where the showers are. And then they've got a roof, but they look up at that. I'm gonna cap this video here. I'm gonna pick it up next week. We'll be standing up that shed, fully color steeling it, putting all the flashing details and everything. Check this one. Ooh, it's my fave so far. All the little flashing details, everything nice and neat, ready to go. Then I can start the fit out. I'll speak to you next week. Till then, subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that little bell, and I'll see you next time.